What are we doing?
Fishing.
Where are we fishing?
Honestly, I don't even know. It was an adventure to get here.
It's an adventure to get here.
Okay.
We're in Ashton Reservoir.
Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah. This is Aaron. This is
My
my
blanket's falling.
This is my cute husband. He's ready to catch the world record brown trout. Those are our friends Kyle and Priscilla. This is where we parked. Super cool. You can see the Tetons all the way up there. It was a pretty drive. Wait Subway in the car. I got a white bread, turkey, American cheese, banana peppers, lettuce, mayo. You got
Spicy Italian.
Yeah.
Yum.
Now we're ready to fish.
I don't know where to go from here. We might just have to literally like
Pretty fun.
Oh yeah, this is a great spot. Can I have your hook? You probably want some weights too.
We got that one?
You can't tell.
I think it's recording.
Okay. Just don't get it stuck on that rock, yeah. You think these ducks will move? I like this spot.
They have a good idea with the bobber thing, Aaron, because their thing doesn't sink now. Do we have bobbers?
I might. I've never used a bobber though. That's a great cast. That's a good cast. Let it sit there.
The thing is, it's just sitting on the bottom.
Yeah, you just jerk it up. The fish are at the bottom. They'll see it too.
I'm just snagging on everything. There's so many bugs on me. Basically, we caught no fish.
We're not done yet though.
It was a bust, the spot we were in. However, we're walking back to our car and we're going to try to walk further down because we're on.
Like to walk down the road or?
I don't know. Where do you want to walk? Or how we're just gonna walk somewhere and see if we can try to fish somewhere else because where we were was a bust. Kyle and Priscilla stayed there though. Kyle's determined to catch the fish that we saw jumping, but they were literally like tiny little bitty fish.
Yeah.
We won't catch anything there. Okay, so we walked to a fun spot. Yeah, we walked to a fun spot.
Kyle!
This is where we're at. Aaron's yelling at Kyle. This is fun over here. Nice. We're gonna fish here. We won't catch anything. It's really pretty.
You could even like get in if you wanted to.
Say hi.
Hello. I'm curious to see how cold the water is.
He's getting in the water. How cold is it?
It's chilly.
Should we skinny dip?
No. There's an old couple right there.
I want you to smile. It needs to see how cute you are. Smile. Wow. Okay, so the area we went to,
I'm gonna get my shorts wet.
Aaron got his thing stuck. This is a yummy view. You're just gonna fish over there?
Now that I'm out here, dumb.
That is a fisherman, if I've ever seen one myself.
No fish, but it's very pretty.
What is that?
The money cast.
Oh, okay.
And fish. Oh.
It went like 2 feet in front of us.
That's where I wanted to go.
How was this day for you?
Fun.
Just fun?
I mean, obviously I wish we could have caught something, but I think it's pretty being somewhere that we've never been before.
I agree.
I love rivers like this. It's really beautiful.
We love exploring. But we didn't catch anything.
That's okay.
Okay. I'm stuttering because I just smelled the worst smell in the whole entire world. We had to use the bathroom, and there's a bathroom spot like where we're fishing. It smells so bad. I'm waiting for Aaron to come out and we can see his reaction because that was bad. How bad?
I didn't smell anything because I was mouth breathing and I had that on.
Yeah, it's bad.